Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Remote Play on your PS5 and signing into the same PlayStation Network account on the PC app. This creates a live window of your PS5. Once done, launch the PS Remote Play app on your computer and connect to the console so you have a resizable PS5 window. Next, open YouTube in your desktop browser and select the video you want. Make sure both windows are visible. We'll arrange them side by side for a split-screen layout in the next step. Now arrange the two windows so they share your display evenly. Use your operating system snap shortcuts. On Windows, press Windows plus left/right. On Mac OS, use Split View or a window manager to force a 50/50 layout. Lower the PS Remote Play resolution to 720p if you notice lag, because Remote Play is sensitive to CPU and network load. For YouTube, switch to theater mode to remove clutter and reduce processing overhead. Make sure finish by balancing audio and input. Pick one microphone and mute the other to prevent feedback, and adjust volume so the YouTube audio doesn't drown out game sounds. If you need recording or streaming, add both sources into OBS and set scenes for split-screen capture. If performance problems show up, switch both devices to wired Ethernet, lower Remote Play bitrate, or close background tasks. A quick troubleshooting tip. If the Remote Play window stutters, restart the app and reconnect. Most latency issues clear after a reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.